Did you know that creating high quality videos can take up a lot of time and require skills that not everyone has? So many creators and businesses struggle with how much effort goes into editing, or they simply don't have the budget to hire a professional team. It can be tough to keep up with the demand for fresh content, especially when you're trying to stay on top of everything else. Plus, if you don't have the right tools or skills, it can feel like you're stuck just trying to get something out into the world. But don't worry, we got your back. Stay tuned to find out how. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side shmoney and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes!
Hit it! Polo AI is like your new best friend for video creation. Imagine being able to turn any idea or image into a high quality video with just a few clicks. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or a marketer, Polo's AI got your back. Just type in a text prompt or upload an image, and just like that, you got a custom-made video ready to go. It's like having a video production team in your pocket, minus the high cost and hours spent editing. What's even cooler is how easy it is to use. You don't even need to be a video editing expert to create stunning content. Polo AI allows you to personalize videos with different styles, themes, and camera movements, giving you total creative control without the need of fancy software. So whether you're sharing on social media or creating content for your website, Polo AI helps you make videos that are eye-catching and professional quickly and affordable. You can make money with Polo AI in a few different ways, such as create content for clients. You can offer video creation services to businesses or individuals in need of high quality promotional videos. Using Polo AI, you can generate videos from text or images and sell these videos as a service to clients who need content for social media, ads, or websites. Just like Jeremiah, who makes $50 for every photo to AI video project he takes on. There's also social media and content creation. You can use Polo AI to create engaging content for your social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Come on now, by consistently posting high quality video content and growing your audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsored content, or partnerships with brands that want to advertise through your videos. Such as Make Money Matt, who make YouTube videos using AI and about AI and makes $10,000 a month doing so. And you can do it as well. Okay, so now we're on Polo's AI video templates and effects. Polo has so many different effects, okay? So now I'm going to show you some of the effects. I'm going to do the Squish effect. Now, if you're a content creator, this is something you might want to think about because you want to captivate someone in the first 5 seconds. So, do some special effects. I love these effects. I'm addicted, all right? This is like, it gets very addictive, okay? If you're selling merch, you want to captivate your audience, your potential customer, that first 5 seconds. Do something to get them to watch you so you can stand out. You have to stand out, right? There's so many people selling coffee mugs, different things on TikTok. You want to do something to stand out. Now let me show you my merch. Inside Your Hustle. Ceramic. Watch what I did to captivate my audience right away. Watch this. Okay. Now look at this. This cute little cat. It's being squished. Okay. Now look what I did. I uploaded my coffee mug, my Inside Your Hustle mug, and look what I did to captivate my audience right away. Okay, look, this could go on TikTok. See? Look at that. Boom. See? Look at this. Look at it. This is a ceramic mug. So now Once I got your attention, I could tell you a little bit more about the mug. So this is another way to captivate your audience right away. So if you're a content creator or you're selling merch on different social media, this is fabulous special effects. I would use it. I suggest that you use it. They have so many though. I'm going to show you some more. Okay, so now you always see this on my desk, my globe. Okay, I said, let me take a picture of this, upload it to Polo. Now, the special effect I'm going to use is inflate. With this, I figured if you're a content creator, you can float off the video, out the video. Or if you're selling merch and the merch, you do your little video and at the end, have your merch float away. I'm telling you, you could get so creative with these different templates. So check out my globe. Look at the little girl floating away. Is that cute or what? Okay, so now I uploaded mine. And this is only 10 credits to do this special effect. And you can prompt it. You can prompt it, say exactly what you want. Or you could just take the picture. I took the picture and I used the template. Okay, and now watch. I prompted because I wanted the globe to go all the way out of the shot. So watch this. You see? Wow. Tell me that's not fun. I love it. I love it. I'm going to use the AI explode effect. You see this right here? I'm going to have my plant explode. Let's check it out. Statue of Liberty. Okay. There you go. Now just picture my plant exploding. Let's see. I uploaded the picture. Whoa. Okay. There you go. There you go. Right there. That's very dramatic. That was very dramatic. Okay. Cool. This is the AI melt effect. You could turn your static images into a video with a stunning melting effect. Okay. So it'll appear as if your item is dripping or flowing like a liquid. So I said, let me try this one. This one is going to be interesting. So I always have my lamp always on my desk. It's always here when I'm recording. These are just things I keep on my desk when I'm recording. It's my fan, my plant, my globe, and this is my lamp. So I said, let me try my lamp and see if this can melt, okay? Let's check this out. Let's look at how it works. Okay, you see the little birdie? So let's see. I uploaded this as 10 credits. Wow. Look at this. Is that beautiful or what? What? I'm telling you, you can really go in on your special effects. Everything's going to be special effects now in my videos. I can't stop. Once you do this, you're never going to stop. I'm telling you. All right, let's check out the AI Iron Man transformation. I took a picture of myself, uploaded it, and let's see me turn into Iron Man. Oh, that's cool. Nice. All right, let's see what they're going to do with me. That's cool. 20 credits for this one. All right, let's see the action. I can't wait to see how they're going to do me now. Let's see. Okay. All right. What? Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh my goodness, I'm ready now. Look at this. As a content creator, I'm editing. I'm constantly looking for stock footage. And sometimes I can't find what I'm looking for when I'm trying to describe something in the video. Let me tell you something. You go to Shutterstock, you're paying hundreds of dollars for some good stock footage. And especially if it's very specific, you're looking for a certain thing and you can't find it, or if you find it, look how much they charge you. Well, let me tell you, with Polo, you can make your own stock footage. Check this out. Let me show you. All right, so I'm going to do text to video. So I'm texting in my prompt, okay? cute cat. All right, so money, the cat counting money. Now, check this out. Now, this is my own stock footage. This is going to help so many content creators. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Create. All right. Is that awesome or what? Is that awesome or what? All right. You see? He kept the background. Look at that. That is so awesome. Here's the different styles. They have pixel art. They have comics, cute anime, Disney, Pixar. They have so many pop art. I'm gonna choose, let's see, cute anime enhance. All right. I'm going to upload a video of myself. Okay, and I'm going to do the video length. I'm going to keep my background, so I'm not going to customize the background. Just want to restyle myself, the subject. And this is 160 credits. Let's check it out. Let's see. Hello, my name is Cece, and welcome to Inside Your Hustle. Oh my! All right, that was cute. That is cute. Cute anime. I see. Anime enhance. I see it. I like it. All right, so let's check out consistent character video. Upload 3 images. And look, you do a little prompt. A woman is sitting on a sofa. The dog is running towards her. And the woman and the dog are hugging. You create it. Let's see. Oh my goodness, this is just from 3 images. Is that beautiful? And look at the 3 images of a woman, different angles. A woman is walking on the beach with her back to the camera. Let's see. Oh my goodness. So any image, you upload 3 images and you can make a video. This is fabulous. The possibilities are endless, especially if you're selling merch or you're making a video for YouTube, content creating, stock footage. Let's try it out, okay? I'm going to upload now 3 images. Picture of myself. Okay. Yes. Now I'm going to upload the second image. Sofa. Okay. And I'm going to upload some delicious hot chocolate. Okay. So now we're going to do consistent character video. And we're going to prompt it. Woman sipping on, let's see, let me do that. Hot chocolate while sitting on the living room sofa. How about women smiling and sipping on some hot chocolate while sitting on the living room sofa? You can change the aspect ratio, so you can go different ways with that. Resolution 720p. Movement's going to be automatic. And I'm going to create it. And this only takes 20 credits. So let's check it out. Let's see. Oh my, so beautiful. Look at this. The hot chocolate looks really good. Look at the details, even down to my blouse with the beads on it. That's the exact blouse I had. Look at the top with the details on the collar. If you go back, you can see the exact collar on my top, on my blouse. That's fabulous. Oh my goodness. Awesome job. Let's check out image to video. Look how beautiful. These are actual still images made into a video. Isn't this breathtaking? This is me on the elliptical machine at the gym. Okay, so now let's see if it can make me move like a video. Let's see, okay? So I'm going to, you can prompt it by the way if you like. This is just me on the elliptical machine and it's a still image. Let's see if it can make me move. This is going to be exciting. Okay, so you see that? Just an image. Basic image at the gym. All right. All right, so I'm going to prompt it, woman exercising. Uploaded the image. standard mode. This only takes 10 credits. Okay, I'm going to do the link 5 seconds, professional mode, and now it's generating a whole video. Oh my goodness. You can't tell me I'm not working out. Look at this. I love it. Fantastic. So now we're going to do another image to video. Okay. But this time we're going to do like an end to the video. Okay. So we have a beginning and an end. I'm going to prompt it to women walking with, let's see, a Yorkie dog in a field. Okay, so now I'm going to do this one professional mode, which is going to be 40 credits. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And this is just from 2 images. Look how I made a video. Oh my goodness, this is fabulous. This is fabulous. Okay, so now we're at the plans and pricing. And we have the Pro. This is monthly, $139 a month. Get you 5,000 credits. Okay, it goes all the way up. You can go to $219, 10,000 credits. That's a lot of credits. It can go all the way up to $899 a month for 50,000 credits. That's pretty awesome. And then they have the yearly. You save money. You save 14%. Pro, $25 a month. If you go yearly, it goes all the way up to $109 a month for 5,000 credits per month. That's pretty good. That is really, really good. And then you have the Pro, $169. And it can go all the way to, let's see, to $659 a month. And it gets you 50,000 credits. Now you see that savings? That's a big savings of 27%. And they have the free one and they have the light. I'm definitely going to go with the Pro. I love it. And even as low as $25 a month for the yearly, you're getting 800 credits a month. That's awesome without any watermarks. You have the professional mode, standard mode. That's important. And you have more camera movement options. So that's great, and priority support. So that's really awesome. Discover the power of Polo AI, your ultimate AI video generator with its unique effects like AI Squish, inflate, explode, and melt. Polo AI makes creating stunning videos effortless and fun. Yes, I had a lot of fun today doing this. Plus, it's free to try. You heard me, free to try. Sign up now and create 2 videos at no cost, making it the perfect choice for anyone ready to take their video creation to the next level. Visit Pollo.ai today and start exploring a new world of creativity and have fun doing it. Yes. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below, will you be trying to hustle with Polo AI? Yes, a lot of fun today. Yes, very creative. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.